Daily TV. Yeah. Today is vlog day, and before we go any further, go ahead and give us a like, no? I'm sure you're gonna like the video, so
and
why
subscribe.
not?
Please subscribe to our channel.
If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can keep in the know when we do post videos.
Today we're talking about grown folks dating. Yes, grown folks dating because we're not young. We're in the youngish, middle-ish.
We're younger longers.
So we're going on the road for our, usual date night, but it's date day.
Sunshine dating.
Woohoo!
Yes. So stay tuned, you guys. Sometimes daytime dates are just as fun, romantic, and effective as nighttime dating.
Feel romantic?
Yes, my husband. But yeah, I mean, today we're heading to the spa to get a couples massage. We are long overdue, you guys. It has been over a year. The last time I remember going was when we had that. Let me leave it alone. It was on our anniversary last year.
Yep.
And so it's over a year. So we are long and overdue. The bones are creaking.
And tell them how you go about booking a spa, on a budget.
Yeah. Tip of the day. If you guys want to do a spa day, the best thing to do is look on Groupon, because some of the most reputable spa places are actually listed on Groupon. The only caveat to that is that most times it's just Monday to Thursday that they allow you to go, so you won't be able to do weekends. But that's fine. I mean, if your schedule is flexible, that is fine too. No biggie. For us, we are self-employed people, so yeah, that's what I assume. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. So yeah, bye. Guys, we just got lost. Question for the ladies. Does your guy do that sometimes? Like not know where he's going and just refuse to ask for help? Or refuse to say that he does not know where he's going and not drive us 10 minutes out away from the location and have to turn back?
Are you kidding me right now? I'm the one who said something is not right because...
Yeah, because we were almost in Orlando.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's it. Never right one. No, liberty that. Liberty at it.
No, so... But I didn't even pay attention because we don't say you're normally on point with your locations and your remembrance of places. But yeah, we're 5 minutes out, guys, so we're heading back. So now we're a little late, so...
You too early for the date.
Yeah, not a morning dater, I guess.
That's what you're telling the people.
In 400 feet, turn right.
Guys, we're finally here. Finally.
Turn right, then turn left.
Leave me alone. Tell this lady to leave me alone.
Yeah, we'll be here, girl. Chill out. Chill out. Yeah, so this is the place. The place is
That's this lady taking me to Massage Green Spa. Yeah. Hello.
which is not a biggie because it's a lot of drama to get undressed, start sweating. I had a little makeup on, so I would have to, you know, lose all of that, which, you know. But yeah, so we were like a good 40 minutes late. So we're just waiting on the massage aspect of it, which is the major part of it for me. That's why I'm really here. That's what I really need. That's what he really needs. So just a little update on that. We are waiting in the waiting area for our masseuse to arrive. Yeah.
This is the couple's room. It has a beautiful waterfall, fireplace. Get out the shot. Yeah. So we're just gonna take off our clothes and get on the bed. So guys, I have to put my head through or something here and lie down flat. Can you see me? Ha ha ha. I went for deep and she did a number on me, man, like a train wreck. I'm back one at a time, man, but to ball, trust me. You have money? No, eat it, beg nothing. Get up, let's change, let's go.
RENGARY.
So our massage was crazy, nice. I enjoyed 100%. And I got the deep. Wait, on the car.
Yeah, and I got the medium because I can't deal with that big old back with elbow life.
It was good, man. I mean, trust me, I feel so relaxed. I recommend Massage Green to every single one of our subscribers. It was just, it was amazing.
It was relaxing, rejuvenating,
So you're not going
and calming.
Shut the girl in there. Alright, so you know the next thing now, we have to find food, right? Because when you do massage like this, your belly, I say, massage me too, massage me too, I need the belly, massage me too. But guys, I promise you, if you have not yet gone to get yourself a full body massage, you need to. There's just no two ways about it. You have to do this. And when you go through the Groupon, as we said before, it is 100% cheaper than if you had just just decide to just go pay for your massage. We don't have money like that. Just be real, we don't have money like that. But they work with us, and they are willing to work with us, and they'll work with you too. Worse especially if you say Yardie Belly TV sent you. So I promise you guys, this was an awesome time at our spa day date, and I promise you, I feel so good. I feel so relaxed. Watch it.
My ears are asleep. trust me, it's very rejuvenating and very relaxing. You feel so calm, and when you're getting the massage, you feel like you're on cloud nine.
Trust me. Yeah, man. And guys, guess what? They have specials. If you call them before, I mean, Groupon does help. Because we definitely could not have done it without Groupon. But if you call them before actually coming, you'll find out whether or not they have specials.
Right.
You know, and you can get a good massage, a very nice deep tissue massage, or medium size massage.
I got the medium because I tried getting the deep one time and it was like,
No, the deep almost never ball, you know.
No.
Because the woman have her
It's like somebody kneading dumpling with them elbow, but your back is the dumpling.
But when it's done and the hot towel go on your back and all the other stuff, man, trust me, it feel good. I just need to go sleep now, but we're gonna look for food today. What, Tuesday? Or today Wednesday? Because you know what would happen if it was Tuesday, right?
But for Tuesday.
So guys, we're gonna look some food now, alright?
Alright, so we are about to go to this one taco place called Los Tacos. Yes, Los Tacos.
Platillos and cilantro, and the other one is chile de árbol with tomato.
Thank you so much.
This is what?
This is red. This is green.
Verde. Rojo.
Yeah.
Chipo. El Chipo.
Wear shoes with the fucking hole. How is it?
It's good. I like the crunchy cabbage on the bottom. It's good. Guys, it's like a mega burrito. Oh my god. How is the verde there? Verde. We'll try the red one. Which you prefer? Oh, yeah. That's the same thing I thought too.
I'm gonna try it without anything at all, just the regular beef and stuff, right?
How is it?
It's good.
How is the spice level without the sauces?
It's okay.
Oh, it's not overly spicy? Okay.
Try mine.
So I'm gonna try his food now, which is this mega burrito, guys. Oh my god.
Mine's is better, right? Mine's is better.
The inside, but not the outside. I don't like the flour to the
Okay. Good.
Alright, Pablo.
No, for real.
Pedro. His name is Pedro, right? Your name is Pedro in Spanish?
I don't know.
Or is it? Yeah, I think so.
Felipe.
Felipe? And all of that stuff. You didn't even get the excuse. No? We're the only ones in here that don't know about Mexican food, is he? You know that,
Right.
Thank you. Everybody else in here knows about Mexican food except us. Why don't we stay online?
Nothing wrong with stepping out of the box sometimes.
Anyway, cheers to 21 years and still dating. As usual, we just pass a random restaurant and decide to stop. We've been doing
Los
that.
tacos.
Yeah, we've been doing that a lot lately. But remind me, guys, next time to not go into a Mexican place because why everything's so peppery.
And that's what I'm about.
I mean, I'm Jamaican, but for some strange reason, I can't tolerate the pepper as much as I could. I like it, but I can't tolerate it at all. So, whilst the food was good, it's like you can't fully enjoy it because you can't put the nice sauces because all the sauces are peppery. Right?
My food was okay.
Well, him no pepper, so there was no issue. But anyway, it's raining, y'all. Raining.
And it's been raining like this for days in SoFlo.
Yeah, it's rainy season, so it's awesome. I'm not mad at the rain. We just need to be home right now. I like being home when it's raining, so that's where we headed. Yeah, this there. Yeah, the better TV. Yes, guys. So that is the end of our date day. It was quite a
Our day date.
Oh, day date. Okay. Day date. Oh yeah, that's the end of our day date, and it was pretty relaxing. You know, chill, nothing over the top.
I'm about to sleep.
Massage and a little bite. Yes.
Who bite you?
We grabbed a bite to eat.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us how you like our vlogs, and if you think we should do more vlogs, along with our recipes and tutorial and stuff like that. Let us know what's going on. Give us your feedback. Please, guys, we need your subscription, so please subscribe to our channel. Don't just watch and don't subscribe, okay?
Yeah, and comment and let us know what is your favorite thing to do in the daytime with your significant other. Alright? Thanks for watching.